If you have the mental agility and flexibility to move with a fast-changing industry, the future is bright in information technology services. The world is increasingly dependent on information technology. Hospitals, schools, business, transportation, and government, every field of endeavor now relies on computers and the people who know how to make the computers work. Depending on the kind of position you take, you might need patience to provide information about something you know a lot about to people who don't understand much beyond their keyboard. They may be frustrated, even frightened, when the computer they depend on isn't functioning the way they expect, and they'll look to you to make it better. On a larger scale, information technology services experts work to develop solutions to challenges in every field, connecting doctors to analytical data, connecting corporations to business records, connecting marketers to a client base. All these and more are part of the burgeoning field of information technology. IT, as the field is called, requires intense training and ongoing education to keep up with the latest developments. Some positions in this field require in-depth training on a particular kind of equipment or software. The one sure thing about the future is that today's equipment and software will be antiques in just a few years, so it will be necessary to get new training on a regular basis. After all, there are not many positions these days for typewriter repair people. A background in science, math, or engineering is good preparation for a career in information technology services. Just enjoying going online or getting good scores on video games isn't enough. You have to be fascinated with the workings behind the screen. A logical and methodical mind combined with creativity could take you far in this expanding field.